All right, it's February 27th. It's a couple days after my last update. Just wanted to shoot a short video on a project that I decided to go ahead and start working on today. Try to back up here so you take a look at this. This here is a liner. If you ever seen those big cherry pickers that the phone and electric company use to lift like two guys up to work on the lines, those are metal buckets, and this is an example of the liner that goes inside. Obviously it's a PVC. It's a non-metallic insulated material. You know, that they use so that way they don't, if they hit the line with the bucket, it doesn't have any effect on the guys inside. It has this lip on it. As you can see, it's about a 1/4 inch thick. A friend of mine works for the power company. They were replacing the liners, and this one was in decent shape, didn't have any cracks or holes in it. And so he asked if I wanted it, if maybe I could use this for something. I said, yeah, sure. You know, who am I to turn down more junk to have in the backyard? So I've had this for about a year, and originally I used it for most of that year as a water container to catch snow and rain off the roof, and so I could recycle the water. But after taking a look at it, I've decided to go ahead and cut it down and use it for something. See here the liner. In fact, I think the bottom is a little bit thicker than a 1/4 inch. It's in really good shape. Scratched up, but you know, it's not pretty. But these things aren't used for that purpose. But what I've decided to go ahead and do is I've measured off, and I've used some tape to make it easier for me to cut. But it's about 10.5 inches depth right here. And I'm going to use this for my next grow container in my aquaponics system. And what I think I'm going to use this top portion for is I'll probably split the difference and use these as 2 containers. Just get some wood, probably some cheap particle board, and use that as the bottom, and have myself a couple grow containers. But I'll probably update a video on that once I get to that. So for now, I'll go ahead and pause as I get everything put together so I can cut this down. Okay. Well, got all the cutting done. Came out, yeah, pretty smooth. I got some burrs that I need to take some sandpaper to here on some of the edges. I just used my jigsaw a ripsaw to cut it down, but pretty much worked as I thought it would. It's not perfect, but these things usually never are. Once again, you see here in the corners, kind of reinforced, maybe a little bit thicker than a 1/4 inch. But it's solid. All I need to do now is clean it out a little bit. Just got some dust and some of the dehydrated rain and snow water that had been sitting in there for a while. Then I'll go ahead and put drill the drain hole, and we'll get it set up, but we'll leave that to another video. But there's something to look forward to, and I'll put together another video once I get it to the next you know, when I get ready to complete the next part of this puzzle. Alright, well, thanks for watching. Let me know what you think in the comments, and if you like, subscribe. Questions, ask them, and I'll try to answer them. All right, thanks.